What's up, everybody? It is John from 3 Guys 1 Puck, and today we are breaking another box of 1920 artifacts. We got 8 packs. Let's jump right into it. Enough.
We haven't opened artifacts for about a month now, so I'm excited for this.
Yeah,
I missed it.
And Rookie Redemption list is out now, so we know who we're getting. So that's
absolutely
interesting.
Except for 23.
Yeah, for some reason the one that I pulled is not on that list.
Yeah,
I guess so. Alright. Let's start with the right side.
Because we know the banger's top left. It always was.
Good old lefty. Adam Henrique. Drew Doughty. Jordan Bennington, 42 of 299.
That's a good one.
That's a coppa. Okay. The whatever these are called, what are they? Decoys. And Anisimov is the last card.
I mean, it's just a piece of cardboard if you just want to call it a piece of cardboard.
That's the cardboard.
I just threw it.
Okay. Quinn likes just tossing them. Respect. Alright, starting it off with Derek Steffen. A rookie redemption for the Rangers.
I'm working on. What's the number?
The number on this bad boy is going to be 200. I think that's got to be Kako.
200 is Kako. Man.
Oh, look
that's
at
rowdy.
Decoy, Thomas Hurdle, and Ryan McDonough.
Rowdy got Kako.
Okay, that was one of the best redemptions to get. Not quite the best with Cale and Montreal out there, but damn, that was a good card. Woo! All right, James Neal in a Calgary Flames jersey, and you bastard!
Hey, it's a red one.
Ryan O'Reilly,
what's the number?
red artifacts. 60. Oh, sorry.
That's really close.
60 of
What's his
99.
90?
Yeah,
90. I definitely didn't curse you.
Quinn, I can't believe you threw that voodoo on us. Max Pacioretty. Now it's destined. You're getting an Orem.
What?
I don't know what to tell you.
Chill out.
Is this the last on the right side?
This is the last on the right
boy.
side. Rasmus Dahlin. Connor Hellebuyck, 175 of 699.
Nice.
Decoy, Tyler Johnson, and Tyler Seguin. All right.
Okay.
Now,
oh boy, here we
onto
go.
the top left. Oh boy, this is gonna be the banger.
It is. Yeah, let's go.
It's gotta be.
Go. Drum roll,
That's
please.
a banger, right? We got Patrick Hornquist, Jake Gensel, and a Lieber Hayek 18 of 49 patch.
That's a pretty looking
nice.
patch.
Wow. Okay. And it's a rookie card, so that's really good. Mitch Marner. All right. Well then, I think we have one more pull.
Yeah.
One more, correct? 3 memorabilia, Orem, and autograph. Yeah, so we got the banger, and then we got the Orem. So we are destined for one more. Casey Middlestat, Vincent Hinostroza, a Taro Hyros, Hyros 275 of 999. Decoy, and Jake DeBrusk. All right, we got 2 packs left. Oh boy.
Should pull another jersey card, I think.
Yeah, it's another pull for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
If we can get it open.
Yep. That's the real test here. All right. Mike Hoffman.
Oh.
Felipe Myers, 88 of 99.
Nice.
Yeah.
Emerald.
Woo.
Decoy.
Decoy, Teuvo Teravainen, and Patrice Bergeron. All right, and on to the last pack of the box. Whoa. That is out of here.
Get it out of here.
Can you feel the Cale coming? Because I can.
Can you?
Yep. There's definitely a card in here. Duncan Keith. And a Pierre-Luc Dubois, 156 of 165. Copper. Cool.
That's nice.
Decoy. Braden Shen. And that will about do it. But it is time to go over the pulls. This box was pretty nice to me.
Mm-hmm.
So the Connor Hellebuyck 175 of 699.
Which I'll probably be getting.
Quinn will be trading for sure. The 42 of 299 Jordan Binnington. That's a good card. Felipe Myers rookie 88 of 99. That's a good one. Nice emerald. Taro Hirose 275 of 999. And our Aurum that Connor cursed on me, a Ryan O'Reilly red parallel. True.
They look nicer. They're numbered.
Hey, when I did curse you, I said, at least I hope it's a red.
Yeah.
And we also got this Pierre-Luc Dubois jersey, 156 of 165.
Nice.
And a Libor Hayjack, 18 of 49 patch. It's a sick card.
Yeah, nice.
And our rookie redemption for the New York Rangers. And this, right here, this card, this is Capo Caco.
Wow. I've already said it like 5 times.
We won.
Let's go.
But if you enjoyed that box as much as I did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe.